Seychelles Island Foundation was the first environmental organization in Seychelles. It is governed by a board of trustees and mandated to manage and protect the two UNESCO World sites, Vallée des Mets and Aldabra Atoll. As a non-profit organization, SIF relies on tourism activities to sustain the costly operation of both sites. Vallée des Mets, one of the world's smallest natural UNESCO World Heritage site, is a living remnant of ancient palm forest found in the heart of Praslin. The Vallée des Mets is home to the iconic coco de mer, the flagship species of the forest which only grows here and on Curious Island. The coco de mer has separate female and male trees. The fruits only develop on the female trees, while the male trees bears a catkin instead. The unusual shape of the catkin and coco de mer nut led people to believe that during stormy nights, the male and female trees meet and make passionate love. According to legend, whoever bears witness to such a phenomenon will die or turn into a black parrot. The ancient palm forest is home to many other endemic species which are dependent on its unique habitat for survival. The Seychelles national bird, the black parrot, only lives on Praslin and has a vulnerable population. Monitoring the black parrot's breeding season is an important priority for SIF. Sadly, another vulnerable endemic species, the giant bronze gecko, has recently become a target for poachers. The forest also faces threats from invasive plants and animals, such as the yellow crazy ants, which poses the biggest threat to the animals of the Vallée des Mets. SIF is working hard to control introduced species and preserve this precious ecosystem. Aldabra, remote, wild, and mysterious. This raised coral atoll in the Indian Ocean is a biodiversity hotspot. Few people have ever set foot in this enigmatic and fascinating place. The atoll has 4 large islands which enclose a shallow lagoon, and these islands are surrounded by a coral reef. Marine habitats range from coral reefs to seagrass beds to mangrove mudflats. Aldabra is also home to the largest giant tortoise population in the world. Breeding populations of endangered green turtles and critically endangered hawksbill turtles. The atoll is a precious refuge for wildlife and a significant habitat for birds, with 2 endemic species and 11 other bird species which call the atoll home. We'll be continuing our tortoise and turtle monitoring to ensure the populations are stable or rising, and protecting them as well as we can by eradicating invasive species and protecting their natural habitat. We will be doing a second Aldabra cleanup project to clear plastic waste and prevent harm to wildlife. We will be looking for volunteers to get involved, so look out for more on this in future. Remember, we can all play our part in protecting wildlife by reducing our consumption and avoiding single-use plastic. Together, we can make a difference and preserve the natural world for generations to come.
If you are interested in getting involved or learn more about our work, just contact SIF on our info@sif.sc or via our social media channels. We're always looking forward for more ways to engage the public in what we do.